Question. A truck's speed increases uniformly from 50 kilometers per hour to 60 kilometers per hour in 20 seconds. Determine the average speed, the acceleration, and the distance traveled, all in units of meters and seconds. All right, so step one, since this is horizontally, meaning it's in the x-axis, so we don't even have anything to worry about there. So we are looking for the average speed. Okay, so the first thing is that we need to convert everything here to meters and seconds. All right, so we have 15 meters per second. Then we also have got 15 meters per hour and 16 kilometers per hour and 15 kilometers per hour. All right, so velocity first in the x, it will be 15. We know that a kilometer per hour means this. So now, how many kilometers make a meter? 1000 meters per kilometer, right? Correct. Then how many seconds make an hour? So 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Then these will cancel each other, trust me. Kilometer cancel, 1 hour cancel. You remain seconds and meter there. Get your calculators. So I'm getting 4.17 meters per second. So this is just normal analysis, right? Okay, so this is our initial. When they say 2, this is our final. So final in the x to be 60 kilometers per hour times 1000 meters per kilometer. This is a converting now kilometer to meter. Then how do I convert an hour to second? I'll say 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Then you cancel everything. After cancelling, I'm getting 16.7 meters per second. So we've converted our speed to meters per second. And I think we can now move on. So A is talking about the average speed. So AV is equal to, now average speed is, you always use this formula. Initial plus final. So half. So we have 4.17 plus 16.7. You divide that by 2. So confirm within that you are getting 10 meters per second. Then B, talking about the acceleration. We know that acceleration is just the rate of change of velocity. Meaning acceleration is final in the x minus initial in the x over what? Time taken. So our final was what? 16.7. Our initial was 4.17. Over our time is 20 seconds here. All right. So confirm within that you're getting 0.63 meters per second squared. Then what is C? This is talking about the distance traveled. Now distance, if you want, you can use S, is just velocity, and in our case it will be average times the time. That's how we find distance. Remember, speed is distance over time. So make distance the substitute formula. You'll be multiplying speed and time. And because of that, our average velocity is 10 meters per second, and our time is what? 20. This will give us what? So I just had to round off this. Okay. So this will give us 200 meters. So I had to round off 10. It's actually something like 10.4 or 10 point something. Yeah. All right. Since I used the rounded one, we can also maintain the same one. It's fine. If you are getting 10 point something, use the 10.5 or the 10.4. All right.